Hello everyone, Hector Mendoza. In this video I am going to show you how you can mirror your iPhone to your PC. So here I have my 15 Pro, and anything I do on this phone, it shows up on my PC. So see, every time I open something up on my PC, you can see it here. So I'm going to show you how to install this, and also now you're only going to have to install it in one place, only on your PC, and you'll see that your iPhone automatically will link to it. Alright, so let's get started. So on your browser, I want you to type ApowerSoftMirror screen to PC. And what I want you to do is go down. Yours might show up at the top, but I want you to go to the one that has sponsored by ApowerSoft US, and that logo is going to look like this. So make sure you click on this one. There's a lot of them here, right? If it doesn't look like this, don't do it. So if you click here, then what you're going to do is you're going to download. If you notice up here, if you hover here, you'll see a little folder. I want you to click on that folder. Then you're going to have this box show up. I want you to double click here. Okay. In this dialog box, you're going to hit install now. I'll use English and just leave this default right here. So just hit install now. You'll see the installation. Once you see this page, you can close your website. You can close this. You can are you sure you want to close? Yes. And you can close this folder. Now you'll see this icon on your desktop. So now what I want you to do is double click on this icon, and then this is gonna show up. So here's the deal. This is a free download, but you only can use it 10 minutes at a time. If you want to use it for hours or minutes or longer than 10 minutes, then you're gonna have to purchase the Pro. But you can use it for, let's say, 9 or 10 minutes, close it, come back. Now there is another software that you can use it all the time, and it's also free. This is the one I like, so I'm going to show you this one. Now at this point, yours is not going to look like this. First of all, you need to be both on the same network. So make sure on your PC that you connect to a particular wireless card or the internet. The same thing with your iPhone. You want to make sure that you are in the same network. So basically, on your PC, make sure you connect it to the same one. Okay, so so your phone will look like this. Right in here, you're gonna swipe down, and you're gonna see this. So you're gonna click right here, and then you're gonna see, you might see 4 or 5, you might items. You might see your have a 32-inch TV in this area, and then plus I have this this one here is my Apple. iPhone. So what you would do is you would just click here, and so okay, so right now it's disconnected, right? This is what yours is gonna look like. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on that thing that I told you on my iPhone, and then you'll see it right here, connect. So give it a second. Now it's connected. So I'm going to use my phone, move it around. That is now connected. So now you can move around, open up, anything you want. And the reason that I'm actually showing this is because I want to show people about this program called Map My Walks. And I have another video for that. So watch that other video, and you'll really like it if you're a person that does a lot of walking.